an interesting bull versus bear case. Varsha?
Thank you so much for that. In the last few sessions, BHEL is in focus on the back of reports saying that India plans to scrap 5-year curbs on Chinese firms. But the bull case over here is, if I want to talk about, these curbs are being lifted on case-to-case basis and for specific products. Even IIFL came out with a clarification that they did speak to industry expert, wherein the impact on BHEL is not as much versus what the street is estimating. Onto the order book for BHEL, if you see the order books stand at around 1.96 lakh crore. The book to bill ratio is of course at 7x, but wherein if you see a strong order book. In fact, recently they received an order from Bharat coal gasification as well. But project delivery delays due to power sector issues is one of the negative or the bear case that the company has. But moving on, the ramp up in execution and 2047 thermal roadmap is one of the growth factors that the company has been eyeing to. In fact, if you see, India is looking to add thermal capacity beyond 2032, and the current coal capacity is 210 gigawatt, and they want to increase it to 420 gigawatt by 2047. And demand from nuclear is also auguring well. But high networking capital requirements have led to brokerages giving a downward rating to BHEL. But their ex-thermal portfolio is actually scaling well. There has been strong demand when it comes to the transmission and nuclear, and of course the railway segment, which will augur growth for the company. But the non-thermal segments, where the next leg of growth would come from, are competitive, and there you may see some kind of pressure when it comes to overall EBITDA margin. But the long-term outlook overall for BHEL looks strong, and the outlook is improving. But FY27 order inflow delays and execution still weak are some of the bear case that the company has. So overall, if you see, because of this, the India curb on the lifting of curb on Chinese firm has led to the pressure in BHEL in the last few sessions as well.
Okay, thank you, Varsha, for that. In fact, the entire